Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this will only work in normal browsing mode in Google Chrome. If you're in incognito mode, you will not be able to restore closed tabs because it's not supposed to be able to remember your history once you close out of such tabs. So just want to put that out there. But if you're browsing in a normal Google Chrome environment, you just open up Google Chrome here. If you accidentally close out of this tab, for example, if you want to reopen it, just right click on the top bar above the address bar. Just right click on that area and then select where it says reopen and close tab. Alternatively, you can select the Control, Shift, and the T key combination on your keyboard as well to reopen that closed tab. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial on how to reopen or restore a closed tab in Google Chrome. And as always, thank you for watching. Do what I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.